Patrick, do you have shiny and awesome robots again this week?
I have a few new shiny parts for the robot I'm still working on. This one, which has some new parts on it. The top and the back, because the original top plate looked like this, right? And the new one kind of looks like this. Well, this is the new one. And basically, the previous design was before I designed the electronics. So after I've designed the circuit boards for it, I went back and really the design was fine. Besides two pieces, I wanted to add some mounting holes too. So you can see the top right now has a little switch on it. And I can show you, it's got a hole here and one over here, which is for light sensors, and the same board has an LED which will be shining down on the back. You can see where it says FTDI, and there's a little mounting hole right here. The main microcontroller, the Arduino, is going to bolt on the inside with the FTDI plug sticking out the back right there. There's a notch. So it can easily be programmed. I'm still waiting on the boards to come. Hopefully Saturday the PCBs will be here.
Nice.
But yeah, I just changed two plates on it so far, and it's should be ready to go soon.
That's awesome. What are you going to do with it once it's finished?
I will program it and run it and stick it on my shelf.
Wow, okay. How did you account for clearance for the wheels? Like, did you measure everything beforehand, or do you just choose different wheel diameters as you go along? See what works, see what doesn't, or what?
I chose the largest. These are 90 millimeter in diameter wheels, and I basically chose the largest that would fit on this motor and designed everything around that. I don't know. I haven't actually measured the clearance, but it's that's the next thing to do. But yeah, I was able to fit everything within the 90 millimeters.
Nice.
And I obviously, since it's just two wheels, I'm trying to keep all the weight on the bottom, but some things do kind of have to go on the top and on the edge. But overall, it's pretty bottom heavy.
Cool. So I guess what you're saying there is that the center of gravity is sort of an issue. What other issues do you think there are for this? Like, obviously space, but is there enough power to run the motors for a long time, or?
Yeah, it should be fine. It's my normal, setup of just 4 AA batteries. But I'm just trying to keep the rocking down, because there will be rocking when it slows, or when it comes to a stop, or when it turns. But I've done some tests with it, and really I just have to ramp down my speed and ramp up and so on, and I can pretty well eliminate the rocking. Even though I have an XP in here, so I'll be able to control it with my little controller I built.
Nice.
And I think the rocking will actually be pretty fun when you're controlling it. So it'll be interesting to see if you can make it flip and stuff when it's RC.
Yeah, like those flipping cars that are the same both sides.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cool.
So I hope to have a pretty fun demo video of it when it's all built.
Where are you documenting all of this? Are you documenting the build process at all?
I always do at the end. I snap lots of pictures throughout. I'll post it when it's done on my website on Let's Make Robots also.
Okay, cool. I bet people will be really interested in building one of these.
Yeah, everything everything will be available. So
Fantastic. Thanks for showing more shiny things.
yeah, no problem.